It's payday. You open your banking app and see a fresh deposit, $3,000. For a moment, life feels lighter. You think, I'm good this month. Then the spending starts. A few dinners out, something nice you've been wanting, a quick weekend plan, and somehow, before the month even ends, the money is gone, stress is back, and you're asking the same question again. Where did it all go? This cycle ruins more financial futures than any market crash ever has. And today, I'm breaking down 6 paycheck mistakes that silently drain your money, plus a simple system that stops it permanently. If you've ever felt stuck despite earning a decent income, this video is for you. Why this matters? When you go to the gym, you track sets and reps. When you study, you track grades. But with money, most people just watch the balance rise on payday and crash a week later without knowing why. Your bank account is a scoreboard. But if you don't understand the rules of the game, you'll keep losing. Let's fix that. Mistake 1. Letting money sit in checking. Your checking account pays 0% interest. Inflation quietly eats 3 to 4% of your money every year. That means $1,000 sitting there today is worth closer to $960 next year, without you spending a cent. Money parked in checking is shrinking in value. How to fix? Treat checking like a train station, not a storage unit. Keep only what you need for the next 1-2 weeks. Everything else moves immediately to accounts that actually work for you. Mistake 2. No financial baseline. Most people spend based on what's available, not what's required. Bonuses feel like extra. Tax refunds feel like free money. But it's all income, just labeled differently in your mind. Without a clear baseline, your spending will always rise to match your paycheck. How to fix? List your core monthly expenses: housing, food, utilities, insurance, minimum debt payments. That total is your baseline. Multiply it by 3 to 6 months. That's your safety number. Anything above that should not live in checking. Mistake 3. No emergency fund. More than half of people can't handle a $1,000 emergency. So when something breaks, a car repair, medical bill, job delay, debt steps in. A $1,500 emergency easily becomes $2,000 after interest. How to fix? Save 3 to 6 months of baseline expenses in a high-yield savings account. Not invested, not locked away, accessible within 24 hours. This fund turns financial chaos into a minor inconvenience. Mistake 4. Ignoring high-interest debt. Credit card interest averages around 18-20%. That means carrying a balance quietly destroys your future income. Every dollar earning 19% interest against you is a dollar that could have been earning 8 to 10% for you. How to fix? List all debts by interest rate. Attack anything above 10% aggressively. Use avalanche, highest interest first, or snowball, smallest balance first if motivation helps. Just don't ignore it. Mistake 5. Waiting to invest time matters more than amount. Someone investing $100 a month starting early can end up with hundreds of thousands more than someone who waits just 10 years. You can't make up for lost time with effort later. How to fix? Start small, even $25, $50 a month. Open a brokerage or retirement account. Buy a low-cost index fund. Automate it. Consistency beats perfection. Mistake 6. Managing money manually. By the end of the day, your willpower is gone. Decision fatigue kicks in. That's when bad spending choices happen. Relying on motivation is the fastest way to stay broke. How to fix? Automate everything. Savings, investing, debt payments. What stays in checking is guilt-free spending. System example, real life. 2 people, same paycheck. Person A spends first, saves later, if anything remains. Ends the year with stress, debt, and no progress. Person B, money moves automatically on payday. Savings, investing, debt. Spending happens last. Same income, completely different outcomes. Common excuses, debunked. I can't afford to save. Track 1 week of spending. You'll find leaks, guaranteed. What if the market crashes? Crashes recover. Panic selling is what causes losses. I need my money liquid. That's why emergency funds exist. Simple paycheck blueprint. If you earn $3,000 a month, $1,000 stays in checking $500. Emergency savings $300. Retirement investing $200. Debt or taxable investing. After 1 year, emergency fund build investments growing. Stress drastically reduced. No raise required. Final message. Wealth isn't about discipline. It's about systems. Rich people don't make better decisions. They remove the need to decide. Money moves before temptation shows up. And now you know exactly how to build that system.